Dollar CAD daily forecast, January 24th, FXEmpire.com. The dollar CAD pair fell on Monday as the oil markets got a bit of a boost by the passing of a embargo bill in the European Union to ban Iranian oil from the continent. Of course, the entire plan doesn't take effect till January 1st, and a lot can happen between now and then, so that may be perhaps why it didn't send oil through the roof for the session. However, it should be said that they are moving along, and at least there are some signs that perhaps this embargo may be reality, and that is something that's worried the oil markets, and as a result has affected the Canadian dollar. The pair looks like it could be in a bit of a triangle now, as we are forming. We've been looking at several different patterns in this, but the triangle was one we mentioned recently where it could be forming that, and it's looking more and more likely. As you can see, we just keep bouncing against this trend line and going lower. So, with this in mind, a breakdown below the parity level has us thinking short, and we have to measure the height of the triangle. That would be just about 500 pips. 500 pips from parity to 105. So 500 pips from parity down is 95. So if we get this breakdown on a daily close, we are willing to short, forget about everything that we think about the markets, and just do what the markets do. The biggest thing about this move is it is with the trend, so that does help. And those who argue with the trend for too long generally are broke, so we don't want to be in that camp. So in order to go long, though, we would need to see a break of this trend line, this downtrend line, but we're running out of time as we are starting to get in the latter portion of the triangle. This triangle will become invalidated if we continue sideways, but with the pressure and the continuing tightening of the range, it doesn't seem likely that that will be the case. We will either get that breakout or breakdown. Right now, the breakdown looks like the safer of the two bets, but we want to see a daily close below parity just to make sure that hurdle is cleared as well, and then we'll aim for 95.